Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Dealers. My name is Andy and today we are going to have a look at what is going on in the crypto space, And as you might know, the crypto market is actually always led by Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin goes up, usually most other coins go also up. And if Bitcoin goes down, then most other coins, guess what, will also go down. So let's have a look at Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin doing? In the last couple of days, we had this crazy move to the upside here. It was just yesterday, but it didn't last long. We went down again, and the first tradable pattern after this one was this triangle here, and we had a breakout. Then we had this descending channel, then ascending channel. And if you want to be updated, always updated, follow me also on Twitter. The link is in the description. There I will always post the tradable patterns. For example, here we broke this resistance and bam, there we go, like a rocket up. It's really huge. It's like almost a 10% move, and it's really it was like an explosive move, and then we went down again. So let me show you a little bit on the daily level. We have to take care about this support and resistance lines, and as you can see, the market, we have to go really back until this is like November 2020. There we have the daily resistance lines, and now we go back to this time frame today, for example. And Bitcoin tends to stick around these certain support and resistance levels. As you can see, for example, the 20K level, it's also psychological, a very important level. We sticked, we kept this level for quite some time, then we broke down, and it's always important to keep this in mind. And as you can see, the next, if you break down right now, actually we are sticking around this 19.3 K level around, and if you break this level, then the next support would be down at about 18.4 to 5 K dollars. So this could be, if you don't hold this support here, we could go down here. Maybe then we will see a nice move to the upside again. Let's see. But as of right now, we're just sticking around this 90.3 K level. And that's it. Bitcoin is the leading indicator. We have to take care what Bitcoin does, and then we can make some trade decisions. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them in the comments, and see you.